Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how you get more subscribers on YouTube in 2021. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first, we'll go to the URL. Then we type in question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. And that's how you do it. But that's not all I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna say you can put this in all your links. So let me copy it. Okay. No. Okay. Go to settings here. Then go to upload defaults. Then you want to put everything in here. That way when you upload a video, you will get more subscribers when they're not going to use description. Not at all. If you go to your video itself and go to the comment section, and then put a link to it, so to tell them to go to the link in the comment, and it will subscribe us that way. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe, and that is all. Have a good day.